Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Beyond the Briefcase. Today we are discussing judicial activism. It is a crucial concept in understanding the role of the judiciary in modern India. Judicial activism refers to the proactive role played by the judiciary in shaping the law and ensuring that justice is served, often by interpreting the constitution and laws in a way that expands individual rights and promotes social justice. Moving on to the history and evolution of judicial activism. So basically, judicial activism in India has its roots in the early years of the Indian judiciary, with landmark cases like Keshwananda Bharati versus State of Kerala in the year 1973, setting the precedent for judicial intervention in public matters. This case introduced the basic structure doctrine, which asserts that certain fundamental features of the Constitution cannot be altered by the Parliament. Now, moving on to the key features of judicial activism. So, the first one is proactive role. It means that the judiciary takes a proactive role in shaping the law and ensuring that justice is served. Second one is constitutional interpretation. The judiciary interprets the constitution and laws to expand individual rights and promote social justice. Third one is protection of fundamental rights. The judiciary protects the fundamental rights and prevents their erosion. Some notable examples of judicial activism are first one, as mentioned, Keshwananda Bharati versus State of Kerala, 1973. It established the basic structure doctrine limiting the parliament's power to amend the constitution. Second one, Vishakha versus State of Rajasthan, 1997. In this case, the Supreme Court laid down guidelines to address the sexual harassment in the workplace. Third one, Navtej Singh Johar versus Union of India, 2018. It decriminalized homosexuality by striking down Section 377 of the Indian Penal Code. Now, moving on to some challenges and limitations. First one is judicial overreach. It means that the risk of judicial overreach where the judiciary encroaches on the domain of the executive or legislature. Second one is limited accessibility. It means that limited accessibility to justice, particularly for marginalized communities. So, in conclusion, judicial activism has played a vital role in shaping the law and promoting social justice in India. I hope you have understood the concept of judicial activism. Thank you for watching the video.